Yeah, today's class is just started now. So I am writing the first point. Can you help me now? Is it right or wrong? Listen, is it right or wrong? P implies Q means Q is equal to negation P R Q, which is equal to, as you know, negation Q implies negation P. First to do inverse, then do converse. Right? Fine. So that is everyone know this. Can you see this? Everyone observe this. Everyone observe. PRQ implies, right? PRQ, if you apply negation outside, which is equal to negation P and negation Q. And one more thing, negation P and Q, which will goes to negation P or negation Q. Check. These are all the things everyone know. So when, right, common negation is there. When the negation will come inside, right, all people will get the negation. End becomes R becomes end. End becomes R becomes end. So common negation, right? When you bring inside, they all will get the negation. Every person should get the negation. So negation P, end becomes R, negation Q. Check if anyone is not getting. Let me know if anyone is not getting. So please let me know. Is it fine? Right? So if I keep the common negation, right? So when you bring inside, they all will negate. They all will get the negation. Bhaiya, is it okay? Can I go ahead? Bhaiya, can I go ahead? Say yaar. Yes, say. You don't lose anything. Say yes. Can I go ahead? Yeah. If you say go ahead. Now there is one small debate. Can you listen this? Yesterday I written something. Yeah. Let me remove it. Yeah. Now see this. Now see everyone see this. This is the very, very important slide. This slide is very, very important. Please careful. P implies Q. This is a very, very important slide. Please take care everyone. P implies Q. So there are different ways of saying. I am writing the first way. Listen, P implies Q means P is sufficient condition for Q. P is sufficient condition for Q. Right? Remember, P implies Q means P is sufficient condition for Q. Can you help me now? What is the meaning of this? P implies Q means P is sufficient condition for Q. That means, listen, can you help me now? Q will be true. Careful everyone. P implies Q is going to be true. P implies Q is going to be true if P false also. Am I right or not? P implies Q going to be true if P false also. Am I right or not? Because if the P is false, whatever it may be the Q, total will become true. It is sufficient. E is there, it is okay. Sufficient means okay. It is not necessary. It is not necessary. P is the sufficient condition for Q. P implies Q to be true. P is the sufficient condition, because if P true, then also there is a chance of true. P false, then also there is a chance of true. That is the reason sufficient. P is okay. But remember everyone. Remember everyone. Q is necessary condition. For P, Q should be true if P true. Am I right or not? Q should be true if P true. Am I right or not? For this one, Q is necessary condition. Suppose assume that P true, Q is not true. Serious issue. Again I'm asking, P true, Q is not true. It is a serious issue. Q is a necessary condition for P, but P is the sufficient condition for Q. He will ask you in the examination, P implies Q. Who is necessary condition to whom? Who is sufficient condition to whom? Please take care. Q is necessary condition for P. What is the reason? If Q true, right, this one. If P true, Q should be true. If P true, Q should be true, then only this is true. He will ask you in the exam, P implies Q, who is necessary condition to whom? Who is sufficient condition to whom? Please careful. Q is necessary condition for P means if P true, Q should be true. Next one. See the one more. Q follows P. Q follows P. What is the meaning? Q, right? Q, you will get the Q from P. Q follows P. Or Q follows from P. If you want, you can write from P. You got Q from P. Q follows from P. Means the meaning of this one is Q is the conclusion from the P. You got Q from P. That is the meaning of this. One more thing, one more way of people saying is, if P, then Q. This is a one more way of reading. If P, then Q. If P, then Q. One more way of writing is Q. If P. Are you getting? See, he is the one who will decide this chapter. This chapter is based on this person. Please careful. This chapter is based on this person. Please careful. Q is the answer if P. If P is true, Q is the answer. Indirectly, directly, all are same. Q, you got the Q from P. Q follows from P. Yeah, is a very dangerous person. Very danger. Please careful. He only total story, total chapter decided by this person. Yeah, fine. Go to the sixth one. All the possibilities I written. So one more thing. This one. One more thing. Q is consequent of P. Q is the consequence of P. Means you got the Q from P. Indirect meaning. Q is the consequent of P. Q is the result of P. Consequent means what? Result. Q is the result of P. Q is the consequent of P. So another way of writing is P is antecedent. One thing you remember, another one you will get. P is antecedent of Q. One thing you remember, Q is consequent. What is the meaning? Q is the result of P. One is a consequent, another one is right antecedent. P is the antecedent of Q. P is the antecedent of Q. Right? Careful. Go to the eighth one. Go to the eighth one. Go to the eighth one. Q, whenever P, Q, right? Whenever P is happened. Answer is Q whenever P happened. Answer is Q whenever P happened. Right. This ninth one will trouble you a lot. Ninth one will trouble you a lot. Please careful. Please careful. P only if Q. P only if Q. Some people are saying, so what is this nonsense? You written here Q if P, you written here P if Q, but remember only there. If only there, you can write. See, fifth one, ninth one looks like reverse. Fifth one, ninth one look like reverse. Please careful. But here only there. What is the meaning also I am going to explain. True. Right? So the meaning also I am going to explain. So remember, don't confuse this. I am going to explain. Don't confuse this. I am going to explain. It is not P only if. It is not if only if. It is not if only if. P implies Q can be read in these many ways. If anyone is confusing, nothing, I didn't said anything. I written one by one. I just written one by one. No confusion, nothing. Some students are saying, sir, I am not getting, sir. I didn't said anything. I didn't said anything. Then what you will get here? Just I written one by one. P implies Q can be read in these many ways. P implies Q can be read these many ways. Most of the things you know. If you don't know, please go through it one time. P is sufficient condition for Q. So the total statement will be true. P implies Q true means P is sufficient condition for Q. But Q is a necessary condition. The reason is if P true, Q should be true. Then only total will become true. So Q follows from P. Q follows from P. And one more, if P then Q. Q if P. Q is the consequent means result. Q is the consequent of P. Reverse of that one. P is the antecedent of Q. Answer is Q whenever P. Answer is Q whenever P. Ninth one and fifth one look like reverse. I will explain. I will explain. I will explain. Now can you help me now? Can you help me now? Can you help me now? Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Very simple. Very simple. Q, listen everyone now. Q is true. Q is true. Everyone observe. Q must be true. Q must be true. Right? Only if P is true. Am I right or not? Q must be true. Q must be true. Only if P is true. Am I right or wrong? I am writing here this. Q must be true. Q must be true only if P is true. Am I right? Q must be true only if P is true. Am I right or not? Q must be true only if P is true. Q must be true only if P is true. Are you getting? Is it right or wrong? Q must be true. Q necessarily true only if P is true. Just remember, only if is there, only if is there, only if is there, you can use it. You can do the reverse of this. See, actually Q if P, Q if P, if at all only if is there, you can do reverse. The meaning of this one is Q must be true only if P is true. Ninth one, please careful, nothing there. Ninth one, please careful. Q must be true only if P is true. Someone is saying, what is this? Someone is saying, what is this? Right? See this one. P implies Q. These many ways are there. Just 9 ways. Just 9 ways. Just 9 ways. If anyone having anything confusion, please take care. Q must be true. Q necessarily true only if P is true. Q must be true only if P is true. Is it okay? Is it okay? This is the only one which will confuse you, but I written within the brackets also. I written within the brackets also. Can you please take care? Can you please take care? Right? I written within the brackets also. Q must be true means Q necessarily will be true only if P is true. Only if. If only is not there, you cannot write. See, you cannot write like this. See this one. This one you cannot write like this one. P if Q. You cannot write like this. So P implies Q means Q is the answer if P. You cannot write reverse. P if Q. You cannot write. But you can write P only if Q. Right? These two are same. Only if is there wrong. Only if is there wrong. This is the only, ninth one is the only, right? All see meaning wise all same. Different ways of writing. Meaning wise all same. See, I didn't written P if Q. It is wrong. P only if Q right. Meaning also Q must be true only if P is true. If P is true, definitely Q should be true. Right? Fine. Fine. So I think because of you are really comfortable, I'm moving further. See, as I mentioned to you, this slide is very, very important. This slide is very, very important. Please take care. Whichever you feel that complex, you felt it is complex, read one more time. You felt this is complex, read one more time. This is really important. These are all the things. One time you see. These are all the things. One time you see. One time. No need to confuse. No need to see. You have doubt means others also having doubt. You have doubt. Others also having doubt. So take care. Take care this page. This person, please take care. This person, take care. Q if P, P if Q, both are not same. But Q if P, right? P only if Q, both are same. Only if. Okay, fine. I think that little bit you are comfortable. Further, you will get more clarity. Right? Now only it started. Further, you will get more clarity. Right? Fine. That's okay. Let's move to the next one. Can everyone see this? Can everyone see this? See everyone? P, Q, P, Q, P employees Q, P employees Q, employees R, Q employees R, P employees Q employees R. What it means, let me explain one time. What it means, let me explain one time. See one time, see this one. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Yeah, see this one time, see one time after this. See, you no need to afraid, no need to afraid anything. Please learn something new. If anything new, please learn it. Doubt is there, ask. Doubt is there, ask. If any doubt is there, ask. Anything new, learn it. Anything new, learn it. If you keep on afraid, you cannot achieve anything in life. If you keep on afraid, you never grow in your life. You are afraid, you never grow. You never grow. Oh, something new, learn it. Oh, you don't know, learn it. Oh, it is creating some trouble, ask. Some doubt is there, ask. This is the way how people will grow. Doubt there, ask. Doubt there, ask. Next one, it is something new. Oh, learn it. It is really looking like a little bit difficult. Keep on ask me. After class over, revise one more time. Now see what I am going to do. Can you say what is the P implies Q? Can you see this one? P implies Q. P implies Q. So what is the answer? True, false, true, true. See, yesterday something difficult. Today not difficult. R not given. Oh, fine. So I will write that also. P, Q, R, right? So all the combinations. I think anyhow it is not required. It's not required. So if you want, I will write P, Q, R. Is it required? Totally, I think 8 combinations. Yeah, if possible, if required, I will write those. If required, I will write those. Because I need R also. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. All combinations I covered. For this, all are false assume. Just I want to convey one thing. That is the reason I am writing this. I want to convey one thing. That is the reason I am writing this. Can you see this? Can you see this one time? Can you see this one time? Right? So can you see this one time? Right? So everyone observe. So I want, right? So it is a PQR, letter ended R. Now see the answer. So PQ I done, right? PQ. Our goal is PQ only. Concentrate PQ. Concentrate PQ. So next one, if you see the PQ, this is going to be PQ only C, right? PQ only C, same table will repeat. PQ only C, because of R also there, I written one more combination, right? You no need to feel bad, right? Simply same thing is right converted. Next one, can you help me now? What about PQR? This PQ and R also take care. This PQ and R also take care. Can you help me? What is the answer? PQ first two, right? Employees are. What is the answer? PQ first two. Employees are. What is the answer? True, true, true. False, true, true. 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 This one, I think see this one. See this one. True, false, false. True. True, false, false. True, false, false. Check. First PQ, right? First PQ, right? Employees are. Okay, that is also fine. Next one. Can you see this one? Next one. Q goes to R. Let me do. See this one. Q goes to R. Because if I covered every possibility, there is no problem. Q goes to R. Remember Q and R. Q and R. True. 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 Q and R, verify. Q and R, because of all truths. Next one. Can you come here? True, false. QR, false. False. Sorry. True. QR, please verify. False. True. Lastly, everyone listen. Lastly, P employees, Q employees are. Q employees are the PC. P leftmost one. Rightmost one is Q employees are. Can you do this one? True, true, true. True, true, true. This is also true. This is also true. Can you come here now? True, false, false. True, true, true. Next one. False, false, true. False, true, true. So everyone know drawing table, nothing special. I am not done anything here. Nothing special. I am not done anything here. Now listen everyone. Everyone listen now. Everyone listen one time. If anyone is having small confusion also, now you will get. Can you see everyone? Can everyone see this one? P employees, Q employees are. P employees, Q employees are. Can you see this one? P employees, Q employees are. P employees, Q employees are. See this one. First these two, then employees are. Right? These two, P employees, Q. Can you help? These two are same or not? Verify. P employees, Q employees are, or P employees, Q employees are. These two are true or not? Verify. This is number one. This is number one. This is number two. This is number two. Are they true? Same. Verify. Please verify. Are they same? Please verify. Are they same? If any combination missing, let me know. Check one time. Which place they failed? Which place they failed? See this. Initially look like same. See at the end. See, remember. These two not same. These two not same. To say that point only, I written this. If I say directly, you don't get it. So I am writing again. Can you remember this also? Table also I drawn. P employees, Q employees are. P employees, Q employees are. This is almost like. This is called associative property. Not. Both are not equal. This is right. Associative property, employees fail. Careful. Associative property, employees fail. Please careful. Now listen, one small thing I will say. With this it is over. See this one. P, right? I will write here. I will conclude there. See this one. P, Q, R. Can you see this? Right? You no need to draw entire table. But to say this point, I given that table. Can you see this? This also see. Everyone listen. This also see this. True, false, true, false. For this, all are true. All combinations you cover whatever way you like. No objection, you can cover whatever way you like. Can you see this one? Again same, true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Right? So this one, everywhere false you write. Everywhere false you write. Just I want to say one more important thing. Can you see this also? One more important thing I want to say to you. Can you see this also? Can you see this also? Yeah, see this one. P implies Q, find out. P implies Q, find out. Q implies R, also find out. P implies Q, find out. Q implies R, find out. Yeah, can you see this table? One time see, one time see. Just I want to say one important thing here. That is the reason I given this. One important thing I want to say here. That is the reason I given. Let me check here. Let me check here. One more time listen. Lastly, you will get one result. Lastly, you will get one result. Listen one time. Listen one time. Yeah, see this one. P implies Q. Start filling it. Start filling it. P implies Q. P and Q only your target first. P implies Q. True. False. True. 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 False. True. True. Next one. Q implies R. Q implies R. Q implies R. True. 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 False. True. False. True. Next one. Next one. P implies R. P implies R. Can you see this? P implies R. Can you see this? Can you see P implies R? What is the answer? P implies R. True, true. True, true. True. True, true, true. It is a true. It is also true. It is false. It is also false. It is true. It is true. Now let me go to the last one. Let me go to the last one. First one, second one, let me do. First one, second one, let me do. End operation. This one, let me do end operation. Right? End operation means both should be true. True. It is a false. It is a true. It is a true. It is a false. It is a false. It is a false. It is a true. So if you want, I will give numbers also. You can easily say, right? These are the numbers. Anywhere having problem, please check. From this, can I conclude? P and Q, end operation, Q and R is equal to P implies R, right? It is wrong. It is wrong. So careful, these two are not equal. These two are not equal. Check if anyone say true, please let me know. Second row also not same. If anyone say equal, let me know. Right? Fine. Perfect. So to say that conclusion, I given this table. To say this conclusion, I given this table. Right? So if anyone is having small doubt, these two are not equal. Reason is this. This is also reason. Both are not same. Remaining all the places same, but both are not same. Right? Fine. Yeah, someone is saying what type of questions will come? What type of questions will come? Can you remember all the truths? Whatever is going on here, can you remember this? This one you have to remember. This one you have to remember. This one also you have to remember. If I say directly, you may be confused. That is the reason I given the table I said. So yesterday, whatever I said, these all the things, remember, these all basics are over. All basics are over. We can do the problem. One or two doubts are there. I will clarify with the help of problems. One or two doubts are there. I will clarify with the help of problems. Right? Please take care. So I see, if anyone having small doubt also, example also I given. See the example. They both are not same. Because we verified. They both are not same. If both are same, truth table should be same. If both are same, truth table should be same. Can we move to next?